Hello guys, and so today I'll be showing you how to play All of Me by John Legend. All of Me by John Legend. So it's a very simple one. I'll play it and I'll show you how to play it step by step, in a very simple way. Alright, so let's go in the key of C. Boom. Wow, loud without your smart mouth. Join me in you kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on, that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so busy. I know I hate me, but I'll be alright. My head's on the water, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. Love me, love's all of you. Love your guess and knowledge. Oh, you're perfect imperfection. I give my all to you. You give your to me. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose some weight, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Yeah, give me all of you. Yeah, cards on the table with risky your whole going out. Love me, love's all of you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose it, 'cause give your all to you. You give your all to me. Even I give you all, and you give me all of you. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's kind of breakdown of the song. Even though I did not finish the verses, but it still takes the same chord progression. Alright, so the intro, this is it. Okay, even though the intro gives the song already, so the intro is a 6. All right, so normally this is our 6. All right, so I take, all right, this 6 first inversion. All right, I take this second inversion. All right, so I omitted the C. Alright, so I was playing just E and A. Alright, so while doing that, you play this broken chord, alright, with your left. That's A and E and A. Alright, so simultaneously. Alright, now I go to broken chord for the fourth. Alright, that's F, C, F. Now, alright, this inversion for F, I omit the A and I play just C and F. Alright, so I take the 2 again slowly. I go to C. Alright, this is our C, so I omit the third and I play just 1 and 2, alright, which is C and E. Alright, then I go to alright, so let's take it again. Alright, so I'm playing G and G. That's a broken chord. Right now, here I just play B and Z. Alright, so that's all about that for the first part. Alright, that's the intro. Okay, so with it you can just sing the first part of the song with the verses. Alright, what will I do without your smart mouth? Join me in kicking me out. Got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't be you. The second verse is the same thing. You go, what's going on the beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, you know what hit me, but I'll be alright. This way you change some B, or you go to Z minor. Alright, so I was playing inversion because this is our Z minor, then inversion. Alright, so this I was playing. Be alright. Now my head's on the water, but I'm breathing fine. Alright, so be alright. My head's on the water, but I'm breathing. Go back to 6. You're crazy now, my mind. Alright, then love me 6, love 3, all of you 2, love your cares, and 2, all your edges, all your 5, perfect imperfection. I give my again all to you. 3, give your all. Can use inversion. You're my 2, and begin. Even 5, when I lose some weight, because I give you all 6 and 4 and 1, 5. Right? So that's a breakdown of that. Then that kind of bridge part of the song. Cards on the table, go show it to this inversion. To again, risking your hold over its hand. Take again, love 6 me, love 3, all of you, love your 2. And 5. So even how many times do I have to tell? You see the normal chord progression that we played from the beginning. So that's still the verse. And so guys, it's a breakdown of that song. I hope you love it, and do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.